This video will properly show you how to install the anchor kits for the SaeboStep onto your shoes. During this video, I will be using a shoe that already has eyelets for laces. But if you are installing this on a shoe that does not have laces, it will work the same way once you install eyelets onto your shoe with the crocodile. When you receive your SaeboStep, it will come with 2 packs of anchor kits. One that is black and one that is silver. Choose which color will work with the shoe you want to wear. Next, you will need to find which screw length is right for your shoe. Each anchor kit comes with 3 screws of different lengths. This is to accommodate different materials and their thickness. During this demonstration, I'll be using a gym shoe which uses the middle length of the screws. Make sure that you are slipping the washer onto the screw prior to testing its length. This makes a difference in the final step. Here is the photo of the middle length screw inserted onto the shoe, which is perfect for attaching the anchor. As you can see in the photo, there are approximately 3 to 4 screw threads extending past the fabric. In this photo, you can see that the end of the screw extends well above the fabric, which means the screw is too long. If you attach an anchor onto a long screw, it will be unstable, which may cause the anchor to come undone or flop around while you walk, causing excess wear to the eyelet of the shoe. In this photo, you can see that the screw length is too short and barely reaches past the end of the fabric, not allowing you to attach the anchor securely. This will not hold and the SaeboStep will not work properly. Once you have the correct length of screw, you are now ready to install the screw, washer, and anchor onto your shoe. Start by placing the washer over the screw, then inserting the screw through an eyelet of your choosing. Then, using the included Allen wrench, or a personal one if you prefer, stabilize the screw and twist on the anchor. Twist until it is snug. When tightened, point the open end of the anchor towards the front of the shoe. You are now ready to don the SaeboStep and begin walking.